Example 2. 2x plus 3y equals negative 13, y equals x minus 6. Once again, the bottom equation, it's not always going to be the bottom equation, but the bottom equation has the structure we're looking for step 1. A letter in the problem, y in this case, equals something else. Again, either x equals or y equals is perfectly fine to use. And the usefulness of that is this expression, x minus 6, is the same as y. So I'm going to go up here and change that y to an x minus 6. So the top equation transforms from what it is to 2x plus 3 times the new y, which is x minus 6, equals negative 13. So again, the substitution step is just that. These two objects are exactly the same value. This can be replaced with that. And again, I'm changing one thing y into multiple things x minus 6, so a parentheses is necessary when I substitute. That is very, very common. Almost always you're going to be replacing multiple objects. So get in the habit of putting parentheses on the substitution. Then I'm going to solve the equation. So this is a distributive property happening here. So 2x is just hanging out. 3 times x is going to be plus 3x. 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. Negative 13 is over here. And these are both x's, that isn't, so I'm going to move the 18 over here. 2x and 3x both positive add up to 5x. Negative 13 and 18 are opposite signed objects. I subtract those. 18 is bigger, so it's positive. 5x equals 5, so x should equal 1. Dividing both sides by 5 gets me that. Again, all that does is it gets me the part of the answer. Every time it's an ordered pair, x goes first, y goes second. This time I found x, so I'm going to put 1 in the place of x. Then over here, go back to this equation, y equals 1 minus 6. So y equals negative 5. Okay, at this moment in Algebra 1 students' careers, the part that messes people up the most on this is people get hung up on where am I supposed to go with the answer. So I get this answer, I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do there. I know I'm supposed to go back to one of these equations, I'm not sure which one I'm supposed to go back to. Suppose I had gone back here instead. X equals 1, so I put x equals 1 there. That's going to be 2 times 1 plus 3 times y equals negative 13. So 2 plus 3y equals negative 13. Bring the 2 over, becomes minus 2. 3y equals negative 15. Divide by 3, y equals negative 5. You get the same result. The blue one's easier. It's always easiest if you go back to the substituting equation, because it already says y equals, all you have to do is evaluate. But if you go back to the top equation, it works also. If you get the correct answer for x, either one of those answers results in the correct answer for y. So don't get hung up on where I don't know where I'm supposed to go at this point. Just know you're supposed to get both an x and a y. If you've only found x, you're not done. If you've only found y, you're not done. You have to find both answers before you're done.